This is an overview of a collision between a pickup truck and a cement pumper truck on an overpass on US 290 in northwest Houston, Texas in 2014. A question in the case was the sequencing of the traffic lights at the intersection. ATA installed video cameras in a vehicle following the pumper truck and another camera in the chase vehicle. The follow vehicle followed the truck on the southbound road through the turn. V-Box instrumentation recorded the location and speed of the truck through the turn. The chase vehicle videoed the truck's turns from the northbound lanes.